Jelas info Bapak Ibu, Samosir membangun. Pemerintah Kabupaten Samosir bersama Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Direktorat Bina Marga, Balai Besar Pelaksanaan Jalan Nasional 2 Medan, Penanganan Jalan dan Jembatan KSPN Danau Toba Wilayah Samosir, Senin tanggal 13 Juli tahun 2020, monitoring progres pembangunan objek wisata rohani Bukit Sibeabea di Kecamatan Harian Kabupaten Samosir. Pemerintah menggelontorkan dana sebesar 25 miliar rupiah untuk pembangunan infrastruktur jalan menuju Patung Yesus dan juga pembangunan jalan menuju tepi pantai, di mana Kementerian Perhubungan akan membangun pelabuhan, sehingga untuk menuju ke objek wisata rohani Sibeabea Patung Yesus bisa melalui jalur danau dan jalur dari darat. Mohon doanya agar segera selesai. We love Samosir.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And I wanna, could you be the one?